Hello students, welcome to our ENV classes. So, in the last class we have learnt about the different types of plants, then different parts of plants we have learnt. Today you know what we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn about the plants only because there is so many things to learn about the plants and we are going to learn everything, no? So, today we are going to learn the uses of plants. Plants are useful to us in many ways. So many ways they are useful to us. No? From where do we get food? From plants only. But you only know that we get food from plant, but plants are useful to us in so many ways. Today we are going to learn the uses of the plants. We eat fruit of the plants. We eat different types of fruits. You can see here so many types of fruits. No? They grow on the plants and we all eat, no, we enjoy every season different types of fruits we eat. So, we eat the fruits of the plants. We eat seeds such as rice, corns and different pulses. Seeds, as I told, no, every plant, every fruit have seeds. So, we eat different types of seeds and from the seed plants grow. Different types of seeds like cereals and pulses. Pulses, so many pulses we eat, mung, chana, then tur dal, these all are pulses which we eat, and even we eat corns also, maize and different types of rice, wheat, these all are called the seeds of the plants which we eat. Okay, we eat seeds also. Then we eat roots of the plants also. Seeds also we eat roots also which grows under the ground. Root pan ખાઈએ છીએ આપણે. Which are the roots, you know? Roots of the plants. Yes. Potato, then turnip, carrot, then beetroot, onion. This all grows under the ground and they are the roots of the plants which we eat. Okay. So, we also eat roots of the plants. We can eat leaves of the plants such as spinach, lettuce and cabbage. Leaves also we eat, so many leaves we eat, no, like spinach. See here, from spinach what is made? Palak paneer. Yes, your mummy makes, no, palak paneer. Yes. Then cabbage, so many Chinese items are made and cabbage sabji is also made, very tasty, no. And this also, lettuce also, they are also used to eat as sabji and all. So, we also eat leaves of the plants. Okay. Chocolate is made from the beans of the cocoa tree. Big cocoa tree is there and from that cocoa tree, like these fruits are there, from that beans are removed and they are dried, they are made in the as powder and from that powder, cocoa powder, chocolates are made which you all like, no? Any time, mummy chocolate you want. So, the chocolates are indirectly we get from the tree only, it is also a plant product only. Plants give out oxygen when they breathe, we breathe this oxygen. You know children, plants also breathe, no. So, when they breathe in, they take in carbon dioxide which is very harmful and they give out fresh oxygen which we take in, oxygen we are taking in. So, plants give out that oxygen, so it is very useful to us. We take that fresh oxygen inside and we become healthy. So, plants give out oxygen that we breathe in. Okay? You can see here, see due to the sunlight they take in carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. Plants give shade and cool breeze. You can see in shade many times, no, we also go outside and sit in the shade of the tree, we play games and it also have cool breeze. We like to sit under the tree in the hot summer afternoon. We sit under the tree and we enjoy because it is cool. So, plant gives shade and cool breeze in summer. Plants also give shade to many birds and animals. You can see here, see these animals, they stay under the plant only. In jungle, they stay mostly under the plant only. They take shelter. Even monkey also stay on the tree only. And you can see birds also, they build their nest on the tree and lay their eggs and hatch their puppies also, their chicks also on the plants only. So, plants give shade to many birds and animals. Plants gives us wood. We use their wood to make furniture, doors, windows, pencils, etc. So, plant also gives us wood. Okay, we can see wood. No, we get wood from the trunk of the tree, and from the wood we cut it and we make it beautiful furniture which are useful in our house, no, to decorate our house. Chairs, then TV case and dining table, bed, so many items, doors, windows, so many items are made from wood, and even it is used as firewood also. You know what is firewood? In many villages, now we in cities we hardly use, but you must have seen in villages, they burn chulas, and in that chulas firewood are used, lakda use થાય ને, so that firewood is also we get from plants only. એ ચૂલા ઉપર જ એ લોકો રસોઈ કરે, they cook their food on that chulas only, and in that chulas the firewood is used, that also we get from plants only. We get fibers such as cotton and jute from the plant which are used to make clothes, bags, etc. We also get fibers. Fibers means dora. Okay, that fibers, cotton, from cotton plants we get cotton fiber, and that is woven, and then cloth is made. From that cloth our dresses are stitched. So, we get fibers, and see this is jute. Jute. From jute you can make like this beautiful bags, and different types of things we can make from jute also, from cotton also we can make cloth. This is cotton, then it is made in the form of thread, then the clothes are stitched. We wear cotton clothes, no? So, that is also product of plant only. Then we use flowers and trees such as lily, jasmine, rose and sandalwood to make fragrances. Lily, jasmine, rose, these all flowers we use to make fragrance, which are used either in soap. You must have seen soap, no? Soap, many types of fragrance, lux, jasmine, rose, so many fragrance, even perfumes. We use the sense of this flower in perfumes also. So, in many way we use the fragrance of these flowers. Sandalwood and sunflower is used to make oil. Oil is used to make soap and shampoo. See, sunflower and oil, they are used to make soap. The oil of sunflower and sunflower, from sunflower we get oil, and sandal also. These are sandal tree. These are sunflower trees. From that we make oil, and from oil we make soaps, and we also make shampoos which are used by us daily, no? We daily use these things. We daily use soap and shampoo. Indirectly we are getting from the plant only. So, in this way plants are useful to us in many ways. We also use oil to cook food. Mummy, no, she puts first what she takes vessel, then she put oil, and then she put sabjis and masalas and all, and then she cook, no. So, oil is necessary to cook food also. Here you can see first oil is put, then different types of sabjis are put, and then spices are put, and then sabjis become ready. Okay. So, we also use oil to cook food, and that oil we get from plants only. We make medicine from different parts of plant. Yes, plants are also useful to make different types of medicines also. We become ill, we have cough and cold, so many diseases we have, and to cure that thing medicines are made, and medicines are made from plants only. You know, so many plants are there from where medicines are made. So, here we can and so many parts of the plants are used as medicine, not only the leaves, but some bark of the tree, like cinchona plant, the bark means the skin of the trunk is removed, and medicine is made to cure quinine. Quinine medicine is made to cure malaria. Mosquito bites and you have malaria, no? So, to cure that malaria, quinine tablets are made, which are made from the bark of the cinchona plant. This is cinchona plant, this is the trunk of the plant, and from that this skin is removed, and from that skin the medicine is made, that is called quinine, which cures malaria. Okay. And in that way so many, tulsi, then turmeric, so many plants are used to make medicines for cough and cold, and for sick whenever you are not healthy, lemon, so many things are, plant things are used to cure yourself. Parts of tulsi, amla, aloe vera, turmeric are also used as medicine. The extract from these trees are also used to make product that takes care of our skin. See, this is turmeric. This turmeric is the root. See, we use many parts of the plants. Turmeric is the root. Turmeric is also used for healing us. Then amla is also very good for our skin and all. Then tulsi is also very useful for cough and cold. Then aloe vera is also useful for skin, for hair and all. So, see, this is aloe vera. Yes, this aloe vera, the pulp from the aloe vera is removed, and from this we can make different face soap or cream, or so many different types of things which we need to cure our skin, for hair treatment and all. This all things are useful. Turmeric and all things are useful. You must have seen in your toothpaste also, mint, then turmeric, salt, so many things are put which are plant product. Okay. So, children, these are so many, other than this also so many uses are there. So, plants are useful to us in many ways. So, what we have to do? We have to save plants, we have to grow plants, because they are very useful to us and they are very friendly to us. So, you will find out what are the, whenever you use anything, you find out from where it is prepared. Is it a plant product or not? And then you will come to know so many things you are using in your daily life which are made from plants. Okay, children? Thank you.